Hi there. Welcome to Getting Started with Diffbot's Excel Add-In. In this video, we'll take a look at installing and activating our add-in. At a high level, we'll also cover what sort of tasks our add-in can help you perform. For those looking for more in-depth information about performing a particular task with our Excel add-in, check out our additional Getting Started videos. To install and activate Diffbot's Excel add-in for your Excel instance, click on Insert, Get Add-ins, and search for Diffbot. After a moment, you should be able to access your Diffbot Excel add-in on the right side of the Home tab of your Excel toolbar. The Excel add-in communicates directly with Diffbot's Knowledge Graph and Enhance products, meaning you'll need a trial or paid account for the plugin to work. For a trial plan, you can head to diffbot.com/get-started. If you already have a trial or paid plan, you can access your account token by clicking on API Token in the top right-hand corner of the UI at app.diffbot.com. Copy the whole developer token and paste into the prompt within the Excel add-in. We'll dive more deeply into techniques you can use for news monitoring, market intelligence, lead generation, and data enrichment in the following videos. For now, we'll provide some high-level guidance on what Diffbot's Excel add-in provides. First, it's useful to understand what sort of data you're able to query. Both search and enhance functionality within the Excel add-in pull from Diffbot's Knowledge Graph. Diffbot's Knowledge Graph is essentially a web-scale database compiled using AI-driven data extraction and natural language processing. The Knowledge Graph is compiled from crawling the public web. AI-derived facts are pulled from all types of pages across the web and populate entity types, including people entities, organizational entities, article entities, and more. Knowledge Graph Search returns a list of entities based on a query. In the Excel add-in, you can construct a Knowledge Graph Search query in the visual editor, or employ Diffbot query language if you know it. Knowledge Graph Enhance traverses the Knowledge Graph with a different matching algorithm, helping to enrich data about known entities. Search and Enhance are meant to be used in tandem, with Search providing more exploratory analysis and Enhance providing useful data about people or organizations you've already identified. In the following few videos, we'll be working through how Search and Enhance work within the Diffbot Excel add-in for market intelligence, news monitoring, data enrichment, and lead generation. Feel free to skip ahead to your particular use case, or watch them all for a well-rounded foundational understanding of the Diffbot Excel add-in.